This is how you change the battery in a Windows sensor. First, either using your finger or a small screwdriver, push the side tab inwards to open up the sensor. Take the old battery out by gently pulling it upwards. It's always a good idea to write out the date of replacement onto the battery. When inserting your new battery, be sure to put the flat or negative side in first. Then, gently push the battery downwards until it clicks. The cover has two holes that line up with hooks on the base of the sensor. Line the holes up with the hooks right here and snap the cover back into place. Once your battery's been replaced, head back to the keypad to reset your sensor.